So in case you're trying to replace the master cylinder plunger kit, a lot of videos you find online, they'll tell you to remove the lever and then there's a snap ring here. But this particular one does not have a snap ring. What you have to do instead is open it up and you'll see that inside there's a small little pin right there. And the way you do it, you have to push on the plunger with your finger so that it releases it a little bit, and just try to pull it out with something. There you go. So this will remove the pin, and now the plunger will come out freely from it. Careful with the extra fluid. Make sure that you have towels under it, and then you just buy the kit, replace the parts that come with it, and put it back together. The kit does come with a new pin, but you can probably reuse this. So this is the new kit. Comes with a new pin, plunger, the whole assembly, and a dust boot. This is the old kit, and you can tell it's a little different. This has more of a hole. This has more of a kind of like a cone. I don't know if it's an upgraded part, but I got it straight from Rocky Mountain ATV here in the US, and the part number was for a 2022 KTM 890 Adventure R. So it should be a straight swap. Just remember to have some brake fluid. Now, a lot of people say don't use an open bottle of brake fluid. I think there's a little bit of leniency to that. One of the tools that you can get, this is really cheap, it's a brake fluid tester. And you just put it in there and it will give you a percentage. Right now it's on green, and it basically just tells you what percentage of water there is in that brake fluid. So you can tell that it's pretty much good. So this is good brake fluid. It's good to test also for your own vehicles. Then you get a little bit of brake fluid and you put it on the O-rings, and then you go ahead and install it. And you just go and insert it. And you push down and you install the pin back. If I can find the hole. So you just push it down, and then you push until the pin is all the way flush, and now it sits in place. And then this was covering the pin, is just a plastic cover. You can just put it back on there. You can take that off just with a screwdriver. And there you go, now it's installed. Make sure you fill with fresh fluid or good fluid and bleed your brakes. You don't have to break the banjo bolt here. You can if you want to, but remember to replace the crush washers, because if not, you're gonna have leaks. And then flush your system. And a good tip to make sure that all the bubbles are gone after you've done the flushing is to take a strap. I have one of these right here. It could be a piece of rope or whatever, and you strap your brake lever tight so that it stays open, and overnight all the bubbles will slowly migrate towards the top, and it will give you a better feel of the brake lever. And job is done.